Oh no! I don't think so, motherfucker. Oh! Hey, get up, bitch! Get back up, motherfucker! Knock the fuck out of you, bitch! Boom! Get back down! Hello! Fucking look at his hat! This bitch is gonna get it, poor bitch. Oh! Oh. She's not falling while she's running. Well, that's not a good sound, that's not a good thing. Oh no, what are you doing? Ah! This bitch is totally gonna get fucking knocked out. She went sliding there, that bitch. Where the fucking you are? Fuck out of this vehicle. Did she get back up? She's fucking punching me. Boom! I don't think so, motherfucker. Boom! Come on, land on it, land on it, land on it. Oh, you bastard! That would be a good day for this. Look at this fucking dog here. Does this dog want some? You want some? I think it's just minding its own business. What are you doing, dog? Come on, doggy. Oh, police are here now. That dog's going crazy, man. Go and get him, doggy. Go and get him. Oh shit. Go and get him, doggy. As if. Dog's after that cunt. Fuck you. Go on. Go and get that one over there. Go and get this one, doggy. See this one here, look. Get that one there. Get it. You're still eating that one? Oh, his fucking head went through a fucking pole then. Fucking hell, doing work next door, aren't they? That's not what noise is. Hello! Boom! Look at his sunglasses. Woo. You got no sunglasses anymore, mate? And you want neither. You haven't got no sunglasses. Woo. Hello! Oh, that'll be shit. Got some more sunglasses in there. Bye bye. I will kill you. Badass this motherfucker. What's that guy jumping for? What the fuck? Oh, you be jumping now, boy. Fuck, where did he go? Oh, there he go! Oh, he's up there, look! Oh, I love it. Now that was funny, that one. There's still debris falling from that car. What is that guy falling over there? Look at him, he's falling over. Oh, the fuck did you just fall over, boy? Holy shit. You've seen them all up in the sky, all debris flying away. Whee! Look at this cunt here. Look at his gun. Come on, can I try and fire at him again? Quick, quick, quick. Ah, you bastard. That'd have been good if I could. Let's try to do it. Boom! Oh, that just missed him, that! This is not gonna miss you, motherfucker. See if we can get another shot in on him. Come on! Oh, I fucking just missed him as well. That's just bullshit. That's total bullshit. This one's gonna get fucking fucked though this time. In a minute if he gets as high as fucking chopper boys chop him off in half. This one will fucking get bang on. Oh, it went through the cunt! That's just bullshit! It's still going. So let's see how this one works out. You know what I'm gonna do, that's why you're backing off. What the fuck? Got a glass shot in there. This is taking ages, this one. I really want to fucking get him while they're up in the air. Hey, look at his handgun. Maybe this one I might be able to. Hello, have a good time. For fuck's sake, gone, who's gone I am. Come on! This time I'm gonna do it. Come on, come on. I have to this time. If I don't, I'm fucking shit. No! Oh, you fuck it! This goes through him.